Okay, let's start in overhand, same time, left side, left foot forward, and let's do the same time, cap here, and then let's come to the front plane in the 4 pedal, same time, I guess technically together time, anti-spin, and now turn right into the underhand, same time, and sweep over the top into overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, and fountain back, and add the height difference, and fountain again, and then we'll do the last time fountain, and then come into the cap again, and 2 more, then we're going to turn right into that 4 pedal on the front plane again, and 2 more times through, then we're going to turn right into the underhand cap, same time again, 2 more, and we'll sweep over the top again into overhand weave and fountain with the height change again, 3rd time, and 4th time, open your leg, stall your left through the leg, overhand, thread the needle on the front, plane shift it up over the head, tap the left poi, turn right into the corkscrew, or make it the 4-beat if you know it, plane shift that back up, try not to hit the curtain, come down on the right into chase the sun, and open the leg and stall the right poi between the leg, and then we're in butterfly, turn left into the long arm extensions, so those Mickey Mouse extensions, using the same technique that we did yesterday. Now the next time the right one's in the back, bring it into the circles on the side, and then we'll go into the cap. Oopsie, I almost went into a 4 pedal there, sorry. And then we're going to come back to the front into an overhand butterfly, take out right, take out left, right goes up, left goes up, take out right to the side, left to the side, right goes up, left goes up, turn to the right into the long arm extension again. And then once again, when the right one is behind here, when the right one's in the back, bring it down into circles and then cap. There we go. 3 and 4, turn left into overhand butterfly, take out right, take out left, right goes up, angel twice, then we're going to go giant, angel, then we're going to turn left into the long arm extensions, and then, so now when the right one is in the front, come down into circles and then go into your cap, or just go directly into your cap, and then we're going to come to the front into underhand butterfly and take out right, take out left, right goes up, take out right, take out left, right goes up, angel twice, and then we're going to do a giant to the angel again, and then we're going to turn right into the stalls again. There we go. So your left should be underhand and your right should be overhand. And then come back to the front and underhand butterfly, drop, stall, counterclockwise corkscrew, turn left with it, then wrap it up as you're going, inside plane, spread it out, come back together, spread it out, come back together, spread it out, come back together, go into the horizontal buzzsaw with the left on top, turn to the left, anti-turn to the right, and then we're going to take it and come up into a regular corkscrew, release the choke, come up tall into the pinwheel, turn left into a 2-pedal vertical flower, and then reverse it into a 4-pedal anti-spin, back to the 2-pedal, and then reverse it into the 4-pedal anti-spin, and then into the 2-pedal, and then reverse it into the 4-pedal anti-spin, and then giant, turn right to underhand giants, turn left to overhand, and then right to underhand, and we're doing our swivel, so we're more or less facing the front, come up into pinwheel, and then together time pinwheel, and come down, stall, step to the right, and down and stall and step to the left, up and down and stall and step to the right. Now add the kick to the left, and the kick to the right, and to the left, and to the right, and come out on the right and overhand. We're going to sweep, come under the leg, lift the left leg, turn, and then chase back. So let's do that again. Lift the left leg over the top and come back on the right, overhand weave, fountain to the left, and up and over to the right, 2nd time, and 3rd time, and 4th time, open it up, stall right, long arm extension, the cap on the right is in the front, and then go back to the long arm extension. Now I feel the need to drill this, so 4 of them, then when the right is in the front, come into the cap, 3 and 4, now stall, and stall, pendulum, 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 now cap, and now back to the pendulum, 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 and back to the cap, and last one, and then we're going to pendulum again. Now go around the head with the right, and around the head with the left as you turn to the front, and with the right, and the left. Now turn left with the pendulum, and now when the right is in the back, we're going to go into the cap, not this one, but this next one, and then we're going to come into the pendulum again, and 3rd time, 4th time, and now into the cap, last one, back to the pendulum, and then we're going to turn to the right as we pendulum around the head with the left, and then the right, and then the left, and then the right, and then the left, and then the right, and last time left, last time right, come into overhand butterfly on the front, take out right, take out left, right goes up, left goes up, turn to the right, and tap, stall, back to butterfly, turn to the left, tap, stall, back to butterfly to the right, tap, stall, back to butterfly to the left, tap, stall, back to butterfly, take the poi, put them behind you in a lockout, split the time, stall right, stall left, stall right, stall left again, barrel roll again, barrel roll, and then one more time, woo, and then come up into pinwheel, and stall your right poi out to the side, come into underhand hip reel, up to the pinwheel, and now wiggle it out, and then we're going to turn left, step right, turn left, stepping your left foot back, now we'll turn to the right, step left, step right, and we're back in the wiggle, so left turn 360, and right turn 360, left turn 360, and we're going to switch back right, switch back left, switch back right, and last time left, and last time right. And come into underhand, thread the needle in the front, plane shift that up, and we're going to take the right poi, tap it on the front, go into a clockwise corkscrew, or if you can do the 4-beat, do the 4-beat. We're coming around a second time, and then we're going to go into together time corkscrew tap, turning up to the left and tap on the left side, turning up to the right, tap on the right side, turning up to the left, down and tap on the left, up, tap on the right, and add the jump with the turn to the right, to the left, to the right, and come up to counterclockwise pinwheel, down on the left and overhand weave, back to that 2-petal vertical flower, and anti-spin in the reversal, back to the 2-petal, and we're going to reverse again, and then back to the 2-petal, and then into the giant swivel again, 2 more, 3, and 1 more, up to the pinwheel, together time, down and kick to the right, up and down and kick to the left, up and down and kick to the right, down and kick to the left, up and down and kick to the right, come out on the right side, overhand under the left leg, come around the circle in, the chasing the sun, and overhand weave, place to go. So together time, or same time, side plane in overhand, and now turning to the right into the 4-petal, anti-spin on the front plane, together time, and then we're going to turn to the right again and come into the underhand, same time on the right side, and then we're going to turn to the front plane and add that combo. So it'll be an air wrap, a spiral, an air wrap, a spiral. So if you didn't get it, you'll end up back in split time, say, lockouts in counterclockwise. And then let's turn that in a 2-petal horizontal, back to front, and then go into counterclockwise pinwheel with the lockouts. And last one, now we're going to turn left into the overhand weave and fountain to the right, up and over, down and to the right, up and over, down and to the right, up and over, and last time. And then we're going to open the leg, stall, come into overhand butterfly, take out right, take out left, take out right, take out left. And as I'm doing the chest high ones, I'm moving back, and as I do the head high ones, I'm going to move forward. So back it up, 2 and 3 and 4 and right. Up, come forward, left up, right up, left up, angel twice, and giant to angel. And then we're going to stall in the pendulum. And then when the right is in the back, not this one, but this next one, come into your cap. Now come into underhand butterfly on the front. And then we're going to do the same combination with the backing up with the chest high transitions, going forward when you go up. And we're doing the step, obviously, so right out, back, and left out, back, right out, back, and left out, back, right up front, left up front, right up front, left up front, right out, back, left out, back, right out, back, left out, back, right up front, left up front, right up front, left up front, underhand butterfly to angel twice. Then we're going to do the giant, coming down from it, turning to the right, go in, come into that same pendulum. And then when the right one is in front, we're going to come into the cap. And then come back to the front into underhand and do a nice little drop stall, and we'll call that done.